Okay, today we've got a broken drawer right here. We're going to try to glue this back and make it right. So we're going to fill it in with epoxy and make sure it stays on good. But first we want to take the drawer apart. We're going to set it down here. I'm going to come and take the back out. And there's one. And there's the other. This is where it's broken. See how it's all hollowed out. There's the problem. This screw is supposed to stay in here, but it's all stripped. You can see that. So we're going to epoxy this screw back in. Right there. Okay. I'm going to use the JB Weld 5-minute epoxy. I'm going to put some right in here. And we're going to take the screw and put it back. Just like that. Okay, so we could see now that this has been glued in, it's staying in, and now we're going to put the drawer back together. These align directly in. We're going to place it down into the opening, just like that. Push it all the way down. Right in here is a cam. We're going to turn that cam, quarter turn. Then we're going to make sure that the bottom is in the slots. And we're going to put the back of the drawer back on. Set the pins right back in the slot. Just like that. Bring them back together. And then put the screw back. That's one. That is the other. There you have it. All back together, good as new.